Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best postpartum pads that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best postpartum pads. Partum, but you can still make sure you stock up on the best postpartum pads you can find. For a while, it's going to look like a crime scene in your bathroom. But take a deep breath and relax. You've got this. Number 5. Always Maxi Overnight Pads, enough to protect you during your heaviest flows. These are 15 inches long and they have an extra wide back portion so you'll get plenty of protection when you're reclined at night and sleeping. These are super absorbent. They're unscented for women. Our best all-night protection. Number 4. Always Radiant Pads. It's so comfortable to wear, you'll forget you're wearing anything. The cover is so soft and it doesn't use a loosely woven mesh, which means that stitches won't get caught anywhere. These are so comfortable. They stay put. Get up to 100% leak and odor-free protection. Number 3. 7th Generation Maxi Pads. These pads. I'm not ordinarily bothered by either of those things, but these really appeal to me post-birth because I was already experiencing so much irritation I couldn't stand the thought of more. These shouldn't irritate any new mom's skin. They aren't overly expensive. They have wings. Number 2. Organic 100% organic cotton pads. Organic cotton, so you'll have one less thing to worry about if you're concerned about potential chemicals being placed next to your skin. They also have wings to give you added protection from leaks. These are completely organic. Your skin won't be irritated by these. They're better for the environment. Number 1. Poison Continence Pads. Store, but consider it par for the course. As a mom you'll be dealing with all sorts of embarrassing body fluids, stains and smells on the regular. While these pads are designed primarily for bladder weakness, their absorbency makes them ideal for new moms. Large pad that doesn't bunch up. Soft quilted top is comfortable. Great for overnight use. Thanks for watching. To receive every update please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products check the video description.